This video, we made it simpler for you to understand the UK medical pathway, its benefits and its challenges. If you are planning to study and work in the UK and you're looking for easy understanding of this complex process or of the entire PLAB roadmap, then this course is for you. So by end of this course, you will know almost everything about becoming a doctor in the UK. This course is designed for MBBS students, doctors exploring the United Kingdom for higher medical training. It consists everything you need to know in order to plan your application strategically. Now we understand studying for your IELTS, PLAB 1, PLAB 2, handling your visa, applying for jobs, waiting for the selection status, doing various CPT courses, processing your documents, settling in a new healthcare system and then preparing your application for training jobs. It is a very complex process. So we've made a sincere effort to simplify this whole process for you. We will talk about NHS, we will talk about General Medical Council, we will talk about various pathways you have, we will talk about different specialities, the selection criteria, the competency ratio, the portfolio, the jobs. We're going to summarize the whole course for you. Also, we're going to focus on challenges that IMGs may face during the journey. What is portfolio? Following important domains that you should have: your clinical experience, additional PG course or additional qualifications, commitment to specialty courses, doing ALS, ATLS courses which are approved by UK Research Council, having teaching experience, having teaching qualifications, having experience in leadership and team management, having audit and QIP projects, doing multiple CPDs, attending conferences, doing paper presentations over there, whether it's oral or e-posters, being involved in research and getting it published, passing one part or two part of the membership exams. You've received prizes, rewards, achievements. Mentioning that on the CV is also very important. And of course, your clinical observerships or any additional programs that you've done also plays a very big role in the CV. Major mistakes that doctors end up doing in their journey is starting from the IELTS and OET stage, sometimes choosing the wrong exam. First, you're sending your CV, you're applying. Only if your CV gets shortlisted, you're allowed to talk, to express yourself. So your CV is very, very important. You should take portfolio seriously if you are aiming at going to the UK. Observerships is important. Trying for it seriously is important. UK is currently saturated, no jobs. That's not true. Every doctor is getting a job. Just that some are getting within 3 months, some are getting within 6 months, some are taking 1 year. It all depends on how you are taking it. What is the approximate salary at FY2 level? Because that's mostly the first job that you're going to apply for. So the first level salary is somewhere around 37,500. Selection criteria for training job. What is the selection criteria for the non-training jobs? So apart from observership, what else will help me to get into a non-training job? Your hard work. Many jobs are adding that in the essential category, doctors must be having research knowledge, audit knowledge. So if you have done these, if you can show to the HR, I've already got a publication in this, I've already done a full cycle audit on this, then it's understood that you do have knowledge on it.